This is Paul, and you're watching Made in Tokyo. Welcome to another video. I'm Tokyo Paul, and today we're going to walk through another amazing shrine. In Kawasaki City, Kawasaki Daishi is a well-known shrine. It is the headquarters of the Chizan school of Shingon Buddhism, which was established in 1128 at the conclusion of the Heian period. The initial foundations of the temple were demolished during war, and the new structures are recreations from the Heian period, designed of steel concrete. In 1958, the main hall, the Dai Hondo, features a sculpture of Kobo Daishi, the father of Japanese Buddhism. Many of the temple's other major buildings, such as the primary, the main Daisanmon Gate, which we'll pass through shortly, and the 5-story pagoda, were constructed to celebrate many celebrations in the 1970s and the 1980s. The temple's doors are connected to Kawasaki Daishi Station by a bustling temple path. The arcade is filled with restaurants and shops selling a variety of souvenirs, tasty treats, and colorful Daruma good luck charm dolls. The Keikyu Daishi line, which splits off the Keikyu main line at Keikyu Kawasaki Station, passes through the Kawasaki Daishi Temple, and it's just next to the JR Kawasaki Station. The train journey takes 5 minutes and costs about 140 yen, about $1, a little over $1, between Keikyu Kawasaki and Kawasaki Daishi stations. It's a 5-minute stroll from the station, from Keikyu Kawasaki Station to the shrine. On busy days, such as weekends, just follow the groups of people walking towards the shrine, and you'll be fine. Small reward for those of you who have watched this point: the tap 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 sounds at the beginning of the video are made by the Japanese sweets makers working to drum up business. It's quite unique to this place. Coming up, these stone pillars represent each of the branch temples from the other Japanese prefectures. There's about 47, 48 here. Take a look. Please click the subscribe button to see more videos about Japan, and make sure you turn on the notifications for more videos from me. Thanks. Now here we're walking through the aisle of food stalls full of Japanese festival foods, such as choco banana, which are chocolate bananas. We have okonomiyaki, which are Japanese pancakes. Jagabata, which are potatoes that were cooked in butter. All of it looks so delicious. Today I had the okonomiyaki, Standing here in the gazebo in the Japanese pond of the shrine, we see a lot of koi fish underneath our feet swimming in the pond.